In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Chrome signed in, ensuring a seamless browsing experience without the hassle of constant logins. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots. Click on these to open the menu. This menu is your gateway to a variety of settings that help you manage your browser more efficiently. Now, within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead, click on it, and it will take you to a new page filled with various options you can tweak to personalize your Chrome experience. Next, you'll want to focus on the Privacy and Security section. This is crucial because the settings here control how Chrome handles your data and interactions. Click on this option. Now, alongside privacy settings, you'll find options related to cookies, small files stored in your browser that keep you logged into your accounts. Locate the setting for third-party cookies. To maintain your logged-in status across various sites, ensure you click on this and select Allow Third-Party Cookies. Keep in mind, while allowing these cookies can help with staying signed in, being aware of privacy implications is important. Manage this setting based on your comfort with privacy and security. Once you've adjusted the cookie settings, return to the Privacy and Security page. Here, you'll need to opt for Delete Browsing Data. Select it to clear some unnecessary clutter from your browser. After you've opened this option, you'll need to choose the time range. We recommend selecting All Time, which ensures any lingering data that might interfere with your login status is wiped clean. After making your selection, click on Delete Data. Allow this to process and your browsing data will be cleaned up. After cleaning up the data, scroll down and find the About Chrome section in the settings. This option will let you check if you're using the latest version of Chrome. Keeping your browser updated is vital for performance and security. Click on About Chrome and make sure to update Chrome to the latest version if any updates are available. Finally, after updating, navigate back to the home screen of your browser and log into your Google account. Make sure to enable Sync and Google services. This synchronization ensures that your settings, bookmarks and passwords are saved across all devices, keeping your browsing smooth and interruption free. And there you have it, simple steps to keep Google Chrome signed in. By following these guidelines, you maintain an uninterrupted connection with your browsing sessions, enjoy a seamless browsing experience,